Good afternoon. My name is Troy, and this is Fig and Fruit Nursery and Orchard. And today we're going to talk about some problems that may occur when you are growing fig trees in the house over the winter. And I don't know if you can see these leaves on this tree here, but you can see how they're kind of splotchy. Got a couple others here, same way. Got a few other trees in here. It's like that. Here's one. We'll pull it out. Look at it. You see it's got some leaf damage, some discoloration on the leaves. So that is a fig mite, bud mite. And they're easy enough to take care of. I'm going to show you what I use to treat them with and how I treat them. There's kind of two options on the market. First one is this. I like this, and I'm going to show you why I like this, especially in this setting, because with this here, you can make it into, you can use it as a dust, or you can make it into a spray water. That's what we're going to use on this to treat these today. And I can tell you, in my greenhouse, I had a tree or two, big tree that had them. I treated it with this, and I treated another tree with this, and they're both just equal, whether you dust them or whether you use the water. You suit yourself. But I like the water because it's not dusty. And on the back, on this one, it does not really say anything about using it for figs or fig mites or anything of that nature. And I can tell you what I've done in the big greenhouse and what we're going to do here. Every application on here calls for 1 to 3 tablespoons per gallon of water. So I just shot her down the middle and went with 2. I usually do 2 for fig mites, and it gets rid of them like right now. So we can spray it on here. And typically you want to spray the back side of the leaf. Let's get this fig tree here out. Typically you just want to spray the back side of the leaf is fine. There you go. I'll go ahead and do them on top, and then I'll spray the whole thing down good. That's all you need. And I like to make sure I got it shook up. Now, I got this off of Amazon. You might be able to find it in your local plant nursery. You can also find this in your local plant nursery. But now, I know it says 7 dust, but see here it says 7 sulfur dust. So this is not 7 dust, this is sulfur dust by 7. And it does the same, it's the exact same contents on there as this is. So it kind of gives you 2 options of where you can find it. And I just, like I said, I'll spray another one here. Let's pull this tree here out. Oop, nope. Sometimes them things grow down in there. Here's one that ain't. Vanilla issue red. We showed that a minute ago. We'll just spray it. And I just spray the leaf like that. I like to spray the tops of the tree where it's going to bud. That's real important to spray them right here, because they will be right here waiting for this leaf to come out so they can attach on. So if you spray right here down the shoot of this tree like that, then you'll get rid of them. And when your next leaves come out, you won't get rid of these spots that are on these leaves here. But what you will see is when this leaf comes up, the new leaves will be beautiful. And I'll show you one over here. That nerd's kind of growing into the bottom. It's got a lot of root. But you can see they'll grow like that, and then you won't have that issue. My trees like to grow into the even though they're up off of they're inside these crates and those rocks, there's just enough moisture down through them rocks that the figs will grow down. And I keep these pretty dry just for reference. I want to show you how dry I do keep them while we're talking about it. You can see that's pretty dry. They're in need of water. I'm going to water them here in just a few minutes, but you can see it looks perfectly fine. I only water them about once every 8 days or so in here, and that's all I water them. I don't give them a lot because all I'm trying to do is maintain them till spring gets here, and then I'll water them in good and give them a feeding and put them on line to sell, and we will already have rid of the mites will already been killed off, and these leaves here, it'll have fresh leaves, and these leaves will be plumb off of them. So that's how you correct the leaf mite that may cause damage in here. It's pretty common to see it. We're going to go through and do all the trees today and get them watered up. So thanks for watching.